There we go, a little better. Maybe the end of the line, maybe not. Looks like I'm getting the undercarriage all washed out, huh? Still to the floorboards. Hey guys, as promised, I upgraded to some professional video equipment. That way I was able to get this thing and go for a little road test, go for a little drive, kind of showcase exactly what this thing does each and every time perfectly. The suspension, the four-wheel drive, really hardly ever used locker, but anyway, the tires all work okay for me. Everybody wants to upgrade right out of the gate. I really don't see a need, but that's just me. I just trail ride. It's been just about a year and a half since I've had this. It's been about a year since I put that on. The winch, it's got a really clean look. Got that Haas Fairlead, and I got the Warn Pro Vantage S with the synthetic rope, and it's a big beast, as you can see. I've got clearance there to release, but all in all, fit and finish is pretty good. I've had the plastics off about 4 or 5 times for maintenance, doing the winch, of course, and then the oil change and adjusting the valves, all that stuff, and it goes back fairly easy. You know, all these plastic underbelly, I really don't have use to upgrade just yet. I haven't really ran through a lot of rocks. I used to have a solid axle suspension, the 02 Rubicon. The fact is, you're about ready to get off that solid rear axle machine in, you know, about half day's ride. But this thing, you can go for a long time. This is probably one of the best saddles or seats that I've ever sat on. It is just one of the best, the most comfortable. I just can't get over how well they did this machine. I know the 2021 has got a brown molasses color, and that brown molasses color is apparently the flagship, and which is the FA7. I think this green matte color is the FA6, which is the foot shift. Even though I go in there and try to build the FA7 with the green, it always gives me a molasses color. I don't know. I don't know what they did that for, but whatever, to each their own. Everything else is working perfect. The only thing I've added, of course, is a winch. I've added some Honda heated grips, but the transmission, everybody's complaining. Some people have had issues with the transmission. I really haven't had issues with mine. You just got to let it break in. I know it was kind of notchy to begin with, but notchiness. I really haven't had any issues with it at all. So that being said, I'm real happy that I bought this thing, and just can't wait for more adventures with my Rubicon at this point. Anyhow, guys, like, subscribe.